What's up, everyone? Last month, my brother and I went to Antelope Island State Park in Utah in order to get a sweet new picture for this blank wall in my house right here. And the whole thing turned out to be a way cooler adventure than we originally thought. We saw hundreds of wild roaming bison and some of the craziest views of the Great Salt Lake. And we're gonna take you guys along for the whole ride. Okay, Antelope Island State Park. This is crazy. We just pulled in Bridger Bay Campground. Literally just pulled in. Right there. 3 giant bison. This is crazy. Right in our campsite. This looks farther away on camera. They're right here though. This is insane. Insane. Buffalo Point Peak on Antelope Island. This place is insane. It's like an hour drive from Provo. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. There's like 600 bison on this island. I guess originally there were 12 in like the 1800s that were brought here. And now the population's around 600, and every year they have to do a roundup, sell some off and everything to keep the population stable. But so there's like 600 bison just roaming around in this island. It's so pretty. Look at all that. Yeah, look at that herd down there. Look, vlog. You probably won't be able to see, at least from this angle, but right down there, there's a herd of like 30 of them just grazing down there. Maybe we can see through Aaron's camera. It's crazy. What's crazy is that that's only like 30. There's like 500 to 600 on this island. And the island's like not that big. So the mission's to get a crazy picture to eventually put up in our house. That's the mission of this trip. We'll see if we can get a really cool one. Oh, are those more down there?
Yeah, they totally are.
I guess down there, another like 30 of them or so.
Ton. There's like about, it's probably 70 or 80 there.
Damn. Yeah, crazy. We're doing Buffalo Point because it kind of came here a little late in the day. It's like a half-mile hike or whatever to one of the peaks, but hopefully we'll be able to see most of the island. That's Prairie Peak. I think that's how you say it. But that's like a 7-mile hike. I don't have time for it today, so, or yeah, 7-mile round trip, I think. Maybe another day, but oh shit,
For sunset. We could totally get down there.
that's it. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, the mission of this trip was to find a crazy looking bison at sunset. I think we might have found him right there. We're gonna seed. You can't get close to them. They can run like 40 miles per hour, and you lose that battle 10 times out of 10. So want to get close enough for a cool picture, but still kind of far away. We'll see how it turns out. I mean, just check, look at this. Sun is setting.
I'm gonna get closer.
And then right there, you can see just one's right there, one's right there. The GoPro's making it look farther away, but they're right here. I mean, that's like 40 yards away. I mean, you can see its breath. Like, that's how, you can't tell with the GoPro, man, but You can see the breath coming out of him. That's just insane. What a beast of an animal. Okay, GoPro's about to die, so it gotta be quick. Time lapse was insane. I don't know if you can. Okay, GoPro died for most of it, but pretty much we got back from the hike, made a fire. It is like 24 degrees right now, so we're kind of freezing. And in this tent, we're both over 6 feet. So yeah, it's kind of cramped, but it shouldn't get much colder, but I think it's gonna drop to like 23 degrees, but we'll keep it posted in the morning. So much frost on everything. I don't know if you can hear it, but we hear like we hear a bison for sure close. This is crazy. Massive one just crossed the road. Look at it right there. Okay, we've been trying to spot them all morning. And we went to the east side of the island. Didn't see a lot. We're on the west side now. This whole hillside's covered. What? It is freezing out here. It's like 20 something degrees, but it's definitely worth it. These shots are just crazy. They're just everywhere. They're everywhere. I mean, I don't think you can see in the camera how close they actually are. Oh, bro, look at that. Holy. Oh, look at that one. That's so good. Okay, backing up camp. I mean, last night it got so cold. It was probably down to like 22. I mean, just everything. There's just like so much frost on it. All of our water just completely just blocks of ice. Insane. Have a mountain house going for breakfast. Don't know if you can see, but the one roaming, there's one roaming right there. Probably hard to tell on the GoPro, but that was probably the one we heard snoring last night. But overall, 10 out of 10 spot. This place is beautiful. Look at that. Just getting back from Antelope Island. Here are some of my favorite pics. Thanks for watching. Let me know which picture you think I should hang up in my house. But next week, stay tuned because I'm gonna be taking my wife backpacking, and it's still the winter in Utah, so it's pretty cold, and it's kind of her first winter camping experience. So stay tuned for that video. See you guys next week.